already know what the fuck going on. The real chat, baby. 423, king of my city. Bitch, these niggas that say they won't roll with me, come down to my city, you know it's me. I don't do the doubts, won't even speak. 50 racks, what I charge for a fee. These niggas say buddy, no buddy, buddy. I be laughing at niggas, no Chuck E. Cheese. These niggas, they claiming they hard, I'm out in the yard, they really not from the street. Let me say the little story. I woke up in the morning, notification, my phone was blowing. It was Lil Twin, he was like, boy, what you doing? These niggas be sleep, they snoring. Hopped out of bed with the drink on my hip, if a nigga try to play me. When I start telling this story, I swear to God, y'all gon' think I'm crazy. I was down in the back street, me and bro in the hood, and he sitting in the backseat. We was out looking for a lick, robbing this shit, and said I seen 12 fly past me. These niggas really want smoke, we gotta go, we can't let these fuck niggas pass me. These niggas here, he got money, running his crib, so we charging niggas like taxi. He was like, I just got the pin on them niggas that try to go slide. I was like, shit for real, let's move, them niggas they die. So we start moving it, we didn't waste no time. Gotta do it right this time, gotta move quiet like a mine. Or it might be us that's dying. Rain up in the crib, nigga, you know what it is. Up in the Draco, I'm clutching the steel. Popping them pills, had to get right for a nigga went out on that motherfucking field. Kill or be killed, getting crossed by your own blood part, nigga, do you know how I feel? She finna get real, niggas will do anything just to get them a little meal. I'm aiming the barrel down straight to his head. He telling me please don't do it. I look in his eyes and tell him I ain't with that pistol play. Fuck nigga, you know I use it. Which one is you choosing? Him or him, little buddy? Cause I swear to God I'm shooting. I swear to God I ain't losing. I can see it in his face, must think I'm stupid. My brother start loading the Draco up. He was like, back up. He finna let that bitch blow, but one of my homies start aiming at us. I was like, damn, what the fuck? Nowadays, nigga, it ain't no trust. You giving them loyalty, Lord. These fuck niggas blowing angel dust. Hit a nigga in the eye, then we took off running out the door. Me and bro started fighting for the back, but my brother had dropped that pole. I was like, oh no, 2 bodies had dropped on the floor. It was dark outside, couldn't see no more, but my brother got up, said go. Nowadays, these niggas said no. That's why I ain't showing no love. Either kill or be killed. Body for body, you know I'm straight out of the song. Better bite your tongue. Better listen to all these words that I said in this song. Let it stick like gum. These niggas snakes,